What is up guys, Pyrus here, and in this video I'm going to show you my basic editor, and I will show you how to make one in Python using Tickner. So let's start now. First, you open your IDE or text editor or whatever you like. Then type the following code. From Tickner, import star root equal capital T K. Then inside the parentheses, quotation marks, inside there, text space editor. Then after that, make a new line, and that is text equal capital T ext inside root, the parentheses, the root. Now text.grid parentheses, then finally root.main loop parentheses. Then you run your code, and now you can run the program, but there is no saving that yet. So keep watching this video if you want more to add saving. After you run the program, you should be able to type and to see if it works. Now if it works, if you close the Tickner program, it's gone because there's no saving yet. So keep watching this video to see how to add it. Anyways, that's for the basic program.